Hey y'all! Welcome to our corner of the internet where we celebrate those big milestones in a baby's first year. Watching your little one grow is like witnessing pure magic unfold. We're diving into fun, simple activities that'll have your baby rolling, crawling, and maybe even busting a move before you know it. Think of it like creating a stimulating environment where your baby can learn and explore at their own pace. These activities aren't just about building muscles and coordination, they're about creating joyful moments of connection between you and your little one. All right, let's talk tummy time. It's the foundation for all those exciting movements your baby is itching to make. Think of it like laying the groundwork before we start knocking down walls and bringing in shiplap. Tummy time strengthens your baby's neck, shoulder, and arm muscles, key for rolling, crawling, and eventually conquering the world. To make tummy time more engaging, try laying out a colorful playmat with interesting textures. Babies love to explore with their senses. You can also introduce a baby-safe mirror. Seeing their reflection will fascinate them and encourage them to lift their head and strengthen those neck muscles. If your little one isn't loving tummy time, start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as they get more comfortable. You can also get down on the floor with your baby, make eye contact, sing songs, or make silly faces. The key is to be patient, follow your baby's cues, and make it fun. Rolling over is a major milestone. It's like that moment during a renovation when you finally see the vision coming together. Place a brightly colored toy or rattle just slightly out of reach during tummy time to encourage your baby to stretch, reach, and eventually roll over. The joy on their face when they master it is pure magic. You can practically see those little wheels turning as they strategize their next move. Another fun activity is to gently roll a softball or toy towards your baby while they're on their tummy. This encourages them to shift their weight and use their arms to push themselves up, essential movements for rolling. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace, so don't be discouraged if your little one takes a little longer to master rolling. Keep those themselves up on furniture, it's a sure sign that those leg muscles are getting stronger and more coordinated. To encourage this skill, place a few favorite toys or objects on low, sturdy surfaces like coffee tables or sofas. This will motivate them to reach and pull themselves up. Make sure these surfaces are safe and stable to prevent any accidents. As they reach for these toys, they practice their balance and coordination. This will entice your little one to reach, pull themselves up, and practice their balance. As they gain confidence, you can see their excitement and determination grow. Gradually increase the height of the objects or move them further apart to challenge their stability. This helps them develop stronger muscles and better balance. Hold your baby's hands while they practice standing to provide a sense of security and support. This also strengthens the bond between you and your baby. Your encouragement and support are crucial during this stage. Celebrate their small victories and reassure them when they stumble. You can even try gently swaying them from side to side. This not only makes it fun, but also helps them develop their balance and coordination. Or lifting them slightly off the ground to help them develop their balance and coordination. These playful activities make learning to stand an enjoyable experience. Make sure the furniture your baby is pulling up on is stable and secure. Unstable furniture can lead to falls and injuries. Supervise them closely during this stage as they're still learning to control their movements and may take a tumble or two. Your presence will give them the confidence to keep trying. Remember, falling is a part of learning. Each tumble teaches them how to balance better next time. Be there to comfort them and encourage them to try again. Let's turn movement into a party. It's time to get moving and groove in with your little ones. Because who says exercise can't be fun? When you make it a game, everyone wins. Just like adding those final touches to a renovation project, it's all about infusing the space with personality and joy. Think of your home as a playground where every corner can spark a new adventure. One way to get your little ones moving is with a gentle game of chase. It's simple, yet so effective. Crawl after them, making silly noises and letting them escape your grasp. The more animated you are, the more fun they'll have. It's a surefire way to elicit giggles and encourage those crawling skills. Plus, it's a great workout for you too. Nothing beats a good old-fashioned dance party. It's a fantastic way to bond and burn off some energy. Put on some upbeat music and let loose with your little one. Dance like no one's watching and watch their face light up with joy. Sway, bounce, clap your hands, and encourage them to mimic your movements. It's a delightful way to teach them rhythm and coordination. Not only is it a blast for both of you, but it also helps develop their rhythm, coordination, and body awareness. These are essential skills that will benefit them as they grow. Create a simple obstacle course using pillows, blankets, or even toys. This can turn any room into an exciting adventure land. Encourage your little one to crawl over, under, or around the obstacles, cheering them on every step of the way. Your enthusiasm will motivate them to keep going. This is a great way to challenge their problem-solving skills and keep them engaged. They'll learn to navigate and overcome small challenges, building confidence along the way. Remember, the key is to make movement fun and engaging. The more enjoyable it is, the more they'll want to participate. Follow your baby's lead, let them set the pace, and enjoy those precious moments of connection. Every giggle, every smile, every movement is a step towards a healthier, happier life. Watching your little one reach these milestones is like seeing a renovation project come together perfectly. Just remember, every baby develops at their own pace, so embrace the journey and cherish those precious moments. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, y'all. I hope these tips inspire you to create a fun and stimulating environment for your little one to thrive.